Opening 000. Picture this, it's 11 p.m., you're in bed scrolling TikTok, and some 23-year-old in a rented Lambo promises you can make money while you sleep if you just buy his $497 course. You feel that little pinch in your chest, half hope, half shame, because you're already working 50 hours a week and you still can't fill a $1,000 emergency fund. Yeah, I see you. Intro 018. My name is Tito, and I spend way too much time thinking about why passive income sounds like a lullaby but feels like a lie. If you're someone who's tired of gurus selling dreams while your checking account barely wakes up, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Body 034. Look, I'm not here to tell you passive income doesn't exist. I own dividend ETFs that drop cash into my account every quarter without me lifting a finger. But here's the thing, that finger already did a lot of heavy lifting. The Federal Reserve's 2022 survey of consumer finances shows the median U.S. household holds $52,000 in illiquid retirement accounts, but only $5,300 in taxable investments. Translation: most people have zero chance of collecting meaningful passive income today because every spare dollar is locked behind a do not touch till 59.5 gate. So when influencers flash five-figure Stripe screenshots, they're not showing you the runway, they're showing you the plane mid-flight. Runways cost money. Real math, to replace a $50,000 salary with dividends at a 3% yield, you need $50,000 divided by 0.03 equals $1.67 million invested. That's a paid-off house plus another seven-figure account, and you're still netting just the average American income. Nobody selling a weekend webinar mentions that slide. Now you might be thinking, Tito, I'll just stack rental properties, tenants pay forever. Cool. Let's audit the fantasy. Roof replacement, $12,000 every 15 years. Vacancy allowance, 8% a year national average. Property manager, 10% of rent. CapEx reserve, 5% of rent. Add it up and roughly 23% of your gross rent walks out the door before you even shake the mailbox. That's passive in the same way a second job is flexible. Here's what most people don't realize: passive income is just active value in disguise. Dividends come from companies that once upon a time had founders pulling 100-hour weeks. Rent checks come from houses someone fixed at 2 a.m. when the toilet exploded. Cash flow is downstream of effort, skill, and brace yourself capital. Which brings us to psychology. A 2021 study by the Journal of Financial Psychology found that people who score high on get-rich-quick optimism carry 37% more high-interest debt. Hoping for magic tricks keeps you glued to the casino. Meanwhile, the boring cohort auto-invests in index funds and plot twist wins. Analogy time: passive income is like a mango tree. I can start with $10, true, and I own REITs myself. But a 4% yield on a $10 investment is literally 40 cents a year. So what's the non-sexy roadmap? Front-load effort until your active income explodes. Ask for raises, freelance, sell skills, whatever juices your top line. A 25-year-old earning $60K who invests every annual 3% raise ends up with $1.1 million more by age 55 than the coworker who upgrades apartments. Buy assets that historically pay you while you sleep. Low-cost index funds, maybe a rental after you have a six-figure cushion, maybe a business you can systemize, but only once the runway is paved. Automate everything so the transfer happens before you see the money. That's the closest thing to passive most of us will ever feel. This is where it gets really interesting. Freedom doesn't arrive the day checks magically appear, it arrives the day your optional expenses are covered by assets you understand and can maintain without panic. Closing 650. Stop chasing the hammock selfie and start loving the shovel phase. Build income, buy assets, then let time convert effort into effortless. If you want more real talk breakdowns like this, smash subscribe, drop a comment with the passive income myth that frustrates you most, and share this with a friend who's one course away from broke. Let's get free the honest way together.